Hello guys, it's me again, Fatima Adnan. Pagkatapos ko lang mag-ilamos guys. Just now I finished wash my face and then I put cream of my face. Ay, tapos na pala yun. Tapo natin. We threw out that. We not need so many bucks. I'm not always using cream because I don't want my skin become itchy. I don't have mirror. I have mirror here. What's more, this mirror is from Saudi Arabia. My madam also giving me this. So now done. So now because I'm done putting cream on my face, so happened to my eyelash pala. So I need fix my lot because I washed this in the morning. So now I need hindi ko to kinamay pag ano. I'm not using my hands. I'm using washing machine because I'm so much busy. That's why I don't have time for wash by my hands. So that's it. My room is so peaceful because I'm alone and no one can bother on me. I can do anything as I want. I don't know. I don't know this is partner of here or other. I think this one and this one. Wait. Because this is red also. Yes. This is red. I want to do something. This is for here. I make partner because I don't want again all it. And then this one also. I don't know what kind of cloth